Hi there, I'm Marina from AppJobs.com, and today we're gonna be talking about Bird, one of our job offers. So by the end of this video, you will know everything about this app job and most importantly, how to apply for it through our website. So let's do this. Have you been looking for an easy way to make money that doesn't require knowing a local language or that much effort? Then you should join Bird, that is changing transportation across the world. Bird is an on-demand personal scooter sharing network, and they are looking for you to help them keep their scooters charged and you with your food pocket. You would drive or walk to find birds around town, charge them, and get paid for it. Here's how Bird works. Sign up, download the application, and start charging birds. Locate and find birds, bring them to your home, charge them there, and then when they're fully charged, you put them back in the city. And you get paid every morning after you're done your job. You sign up to Bird on their website and put your basic information to start the application. Then you download the app to complete your account. Once your account is confirmed, you're gonna be able to see the scooters that are available around you so you can pick them and charge. And also don't forget to enter your banking information so you can get paid. But before I tell you the requirements to work with Bird, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to click on the red button so this way you know every time we have a new video coming up. So the requirements are pretty basic. You need to be 18 years old and have the right to work in the country you're charging birds. You must also have an auto-entrepreneur status. And that's it. Now if you are interested in working with Bird, all you have to do is go to appjobs.com or click in the first link in our description box to go straight to our website. Once you're there, you can sign in or join now, select your city, and then click on a category, either delivery or freelance, to see if Bird is an option in your city. If it is, all you have to do is click on this button. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!